Hello, my name is Adam Natkovich, and this is my pitch video for the 18-card game Circuitous. Circuitous takes place aboard the space station Imperium X-1. The space station has been hit by a roving asteroid and is now spinning out of control in lower Earth orbit. Players are boarding their personal escape pods, attempting to escape before things get too chaotic. Before doing so, they are going to reprogram their personal computers in order to download as much data as possible from the Imperium's mainframe. To do this, they are going to collect wire cards which are floating freely around the space station and using those to connect circuits in their pod's computer. The more continuous circuit clusters they can form, the more data they will download. The game is played over 3 rounds, and the player that has downloaded the most data wins. Each round, players will take turns selecting cards, then utilizing the wires provided by these cards to form connections between circuits on their game sheet. All remaining wire cards that are on the table will be flipped over to simulate that they are spinning around in space. New wire cards will then replenish those that were selected. Players grow their network by connecting already completed circuits to new circuits using the wires provided by their card. To do this, they trace the wire and then make marks on the newly completed circuits. Players can also connect to special circuits which will boost their data download performance. These include spool circuits, splice circuits, and phantom circuits. If a player connects to a splice circuit, the splice circuit allows them to flip one of their already selected cards, utilizing the wires that are provided on the other side. Spool circuits allow players to collect extra wire that's laying around their personal ships. They can store these for later use, or they can use them immediately. Players can also utilize phantom circuits, which are either white or black. When they reach a phantom circuit, they can jump to a different area of their circuit board, allowing them to access different circuits on a different part of the board. Each round will continue until players have selected their 4th wire card, drawn all wires on their card to connect circuits on their sheet, and then resolved any special actions that are provided by special circuits on their sheet. The round is then scored, the wire cards are then collected, shuffled, and a new round begins. At the end of a round, players receive bit points for every orthogonal circuit that they have completed on their board. They draw a shape around all of their orthogonal circuits and then receive 1 point per circuit that is included in that network. They can also receive bonus points from these central locations with the circular circuits. At the end of the game, players can also earn bonus points for completed sectors in their circuit board. This would happen if players are able to complete all circuits that are located within each sector. In this case, the players completed all circuits within 2 different sectors and would therefore receive 8 points. The final score is calculated at the end of the 3rd round by adding any points that are earned in rounds 1, 2, 3 in the game, as well as any bonus points from sectors. The player with the highest bit count wins.